Please say no. Sure.
Why?
181, 180. Would you mind if I performed one little experiment of my own here? I would love to see what happens when I... Because usually you can energize it and move the magnet and it doesn't... well, for me it's strange. I don't know. It's not working properly. I really apologize. I'm 78. Yes, but I feel badly if it's not working the way it should. I feel very badly because it's not...
well, we've seen it. Why don't we connect that one?
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, I was just actually saying. I didn't see. 485. 478, 71, 5, 6. My wristwatch, is that the thing? So it's supposed to be fine. No, it's steady. It's 438, 456, 400. They have, these one has a contract. Do you have a laboratory? Because, boy, the phone line has a contract. It really isn't my game. I don't know what to do. No, by God, it isn't my game. It's a like a high frequency discharge. You're familiar with this. You notice that it's about 2 inches of and that's not that's from the frequency. So when the main coil is connected, it is more of a bang, but I don't do that. It shows nothing but spark and a loud noise. But you can get the idea of this frequency being present here. And it is around 5,000 cycles. It's not a secret any longer.
Is that a lot of that?
Excuse me?
Is that a lot? 5,000 cycles?
Oh, no. Not at all. According to that clock, it's about 12
Being on just over 12 minutes.
Just over 12 minutes, okay. And I'd like to say, tell me about there are several ways that you could put power in here.
Just tell me what it is.
This is zoom in and out.
Okay. Where do I press?
You're going on the back now. Is it on working now?
I don't want you plug it away.
Is it? This thing's working now, is it?
There's something else besides that. Remember I told you I had a screw on a rotating direction? If you change the load on the device electrically, you change the RPM, you change the how you might look at it. That to me is interesting because now if I'm wrong, I mean I probably am, but I'm saying, doesn't that mean that the potential of people to develop some kind of a motor force, no matter how small? I mean, it's possible. There's one other thing I want to do, by the way.
Right? Can you hear me?
I'm getting a reflection on your bald head.
This is the part where I said I'm hang up my sleeve. I'm wearing red on bald head. You see what I'm going to do. You have to understand that it takes a great deal of time to construct one of these devices. I'm talking months. Because, and if you want to talk about patience, I have noticed something with Berkeley. I have to sit down for 8 to 10 hours a day for months to be able to make one of my things. No, I'm telling you absolutely a lot of this. I will find a now.
Yeah, take over.
How long do you want?
Just want to take that long to remember that.
20 minutes?
16 and a half.
It's being really stable. Look, Doctor, taking the magnet away, it's still producing the voltage.
But we use the magnet only to
Charge it.
charge it.
But you remember I was having problems with the magnet, and I had to leave the magnet on it? Well, now I've taken the magnet away, and it's producing the 200 volts it's supposed to be producing. I don't know why that is.
Maybe using more now.
More what?
More volts.
Oh. No, I mean, it should, no, it was putting out around 200 before. Yeah. And
What should that one put out, Stephen?
there's 500 volts. There's something wrong with it.
Would you permit me to look at the field? This here is still the same as was when we started.
Is this the device that measures the
Yeah, just a
field
coil.
Yeah. You know, I know you're a very busy man, but someday I would really like to sit and talk to you. Can you understand that?
Stephen, you wouldn't know the effort we need to find the opera.
This is the Lord. Hot here, hot here, hot here. You're right.
I feel right on feeling the temperature.
You know what? It's not. You're right. See, this is not. Well, it's supposed to put out 500 volts. Now, if it's supposed to put out 500 volts, I don't know. No, it is hotter.
That beer's coming off.
No. You find little parts of it that get hotter than others. Like
What sort of reading are you getting, Ron?
Well, the field is mostly confined in this ring.
Can I see your meter? Can you show it to me? 1.5, 1.8?
It does, it automatically comes on.
Which one was like before?
1.7 millivolts, isn't it? Millivolts? Yeah. Let me just zero in on that. Yeah, okay. It's going to say something. On the wrong scale.
No, that's the voltage.
149, 148.
48 volts. 0.5 0.5 amps equal to the watt. That's where it doesn't 763 or something. That's correct here. Yeah. So that means 0.5 roughly. 42 roughly. Okay.
There's your pad there.
Well, I hope it was working. You spent a lot of time doing that.
No.